Before first use of Vulcan V-Series broilers. In this video, we will cover how to prepare your Vulcan heavy-duty VBB, VBI, VIB, VIR, and VST broilers before first use. In partnership with Hobart Service and authorized warranty service providers, Vulcan offers a new equipment checkout free of charge. The new equipment checkout ensures equipment has been properly installed and is operating correctly. To schedule, contact your sales representative. All demonstrations in this video have been performed by trained professionals. Before using your broiler, remove any debris or packaging material from the unit. This includes any external laser paper shipped with the unit. Warning: ensure the appliance area is kept free and clear from combustibles. Do not obstruct the flow for broiler chamber combustion and ventilation air. Allow a minimum of 6 inches on the back and 10 inches on either side. Radiant broiler ceramic brick installation. VBB and VST models are shipped with radiant ceramic bricks in a separate box packed inside the broiler or oven sections. Handle bricks carefully as the ceramic is fragile and easily cracked. There are 18 total bricks and should be placed on the rails alongside the burners. When properly installed, there should be 3 bricks on each rail, centered front to back. Lighting the pilots. To light pilots, verify that the main gas shutoff valve is on. Turn on broiler burner valves to purge air. Turn off broiler burner valves and gas supply to broiler. Wait 30 seconds. Turn on gas supply to broiler. Using a lighter or match, light the pilots. Each burner has 2 pilots for the radiant broiler, whereas each pair of infrared broiler burners share a pilot. If a pilot fails to light, shut off all gas, wait 5 minutes, and repeat steps. Turn broiler burner valves on full to light the main burner. Burn off. Prior to the first use, all V-Series heavy-duty broilers must undergo a burn-off procedure to remove protective grid oils before cooking food products. With the grid in full up position, turn on the broiler to full output for approximately 1 hour or until smoking stops. VST griddle burn-off. The VST broiler has a griddle top that is coated with vegetable oil as a rust inhibitor for shipping. Be sure to remove this film when the griddle plate is being cleaned prior to its first cooking use. Heat the griddle to 200 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit to loosen and melt the coating. Then clean the surface with water or a non-corrosive grease-dissolving commercial cleaner. Scrape the oil residue from the plate with a griddle scraper. Rinse thoroughly and wipe dry with a soft, clean cloth. Warning: do not use ice or cold water to cool the surface. For regular cleaning instructions for the griddle appropriate for the type of surface, watch our video on how to clean a commercial griddle. Now you are ready to use your Vulcan V-Series heavy-duty upright broiler. For more information on operating and maintaining your equipment, refer to the operation manual on the Vulcan website.